So we got a package. We see Senris reference. It's the same that's in email. And here's air wheel, and it's the same as email too. So let's open, because we ordered two white iPhones, 4, and let's check what's in the package. And we got a purse. And a pretty one. And it's $450 worth. I believe I'll carry this to my university.
Yep, his purse. No iPhone.
Oh, super. Nu tai ką darom?
Išjungiu, ne?
Mailą reikia rašyti, iš karto ir viskas.